In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up a campaign in the Meta Ads Manager targeting Instagram. That is something many business owners are particularly interested in. I see a lot of search volume for that. So in this video, I'll show you within just a few minutes how to set up your own Instagram campaign. So for that, first, make sure that you head into your Ads Manager. So type in adsmanager.facebook.com, or if you're inside the Business Manager, check under All Tools and try to find the Ads Manager right here. This is your control center where you set up campaigns and audiences and add creatives. You might already be familiar with it. First, you click on Create on the top left. Then you choose your campaign objective. Here you ask Facebook and the algorithm, what do you want to achieve with your campaigns? If you try to generate leads, always go for leads. So this is leads on your website, so filling out a contact form, or leads on Facebook where people don't even leave Facebook or Instagram. They just fill out the form on the platform itself. If you sell products online or services online, you probably want to optimize for sales. In 80% of the cases, if you're a small, medium-sized business and you want traction fast and ROI in your ad spend fast, I recommend avoiding awareness, traffic, engagement, and ad promotion at all costs and go for what you actually are after. In my example, I'll go for a sales campaign. I click on continue. Then to keep life easy for now, right? Like I want to just help you get started easily and quick, go for campaign budget, set your campaign budget. This is a daily budget in the ad account currency. Note that sometimes it might spend a little bit more on a given day. So let's say you give it $30, right? So there might be a day where it spends up to 40, and there might be days where it goes all the way down to, let's say, 25, but on average you'll spend $30 a day. Other than that, not much that needs changing here. Then on the top left, you see here, you can go into the ad set. By the way, you might want to have some sort of naming convention, right? That helps you identify the campaign moving forward. You can create as many campaigns as you want. I typically recommend to just have one campaign and launch all the audiences in there, but obviously more on that in other videos. Then you choose your event. Here, always go for purchases. There are some ideas where people want to go for ads to cart or the website visitor, so they get 50 conversions and they can exit the learning phase. You will end up getting lower quality traffic and you'll end up wasting a lot of money. And then here you have your targeting specifications. So first you have your country. Right now it's set to Austria. That's where I am at right now. But obviously make sure you target the country that you want to target. So there's obviously dozens of specifications. You can dial in your age and your gender and targeting specification. If you want to do that, you can click here on further limit the reach, switch setup, and then you can dial in your age range further. You can dial in what's called detailed targeting. So if you want to target certain, people that are interested in Gucci fashion, as an example, you can select that here and narrow down your audience a little further. So there's entire videos that I will record or that you can find somewhere online on what are the best audiences to target. Now, the most critical part, where to target Instagram as a placement. You see here placements. Again, we're on the ad set level. Click on show more settings. Then under platforms, click the edit icon. Deselect everything except for Instagram. And then here, allow limited spend to excluded placement. So this would mean it will still spend money on Facebook, although you excluded it, deselect it also, and you're good to go. And now when you click on next, you can configure your ad creatives. Choose your Facebook and Instagram page, upload your media, upload your creative, so your image or video ad, provide the destination URL where you want to send the traffic, and you're in the game. Obviously, if this gets too confusing and too annoying, I can just wholeheartedly recommend our solution, AdAmigo AI. It's the world's first AI agent for Facebook and Instagram ads. You'll have the AI action agent that'll proactively optimize your ad account every single day and let you know what it's doing, why it's doing it, and the expected impact this will have. And you have the chat agent where you can write up a prompt such as launch a new campaign, target only Instagram. You have a daily budget of 50. And so now basically the agent will start the launching process. It already knows from the onboarding what your advertising goals are, the areas you want to target, and now it creates everything into the account for you much easier and faster. So it basically created everything inside. If I now go back into the ad account, go on the campaign level, you can see here already, this is the new campaign that AdAmigo created just now. And if I go inside, you see here it says Instagram only. And when I scroll down, you see here it already has all the right targeting specifications. And you see here it's only targeting Instagram. So It's just so much easier and so much faster. And then obviously the AI action product will optimize everything moving forward through daily actions that look just like this. You have your title, what it wants to do, why it wants to do it, and the expected impact. So it will then further, design new ads, build out new campaigns, while obviously aiming towards your performance targets and respecting your budget and targeting restrictions. Anyways, I hope this video was super helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.